You guys, just pause for a minute and pray for my face. Well, pray for our face. We are looking terrible.
You need makeup for your woman. If you don't have makeup, that's how you look.
You guys, I am bringing you my sleep face because it is now, let me tell you what time it is in France right now. It is 2:30 in France right now, and of course we are up and in our colors because we are watching the Olympics. Semi-final just went, and the finals will be coming in about an hour.
100 female.
100 female finals, and of course, you know, my country is dominating this event, and we have 3 persons through to the finals, and I'm pumped and I'm ready to see what is going to happen in the finals. We are hoping for a replay of 2008 with the 1, 2, 3, but if we don't get that, we'll settle for the 1, 2. And of course my girl is in, and I am rooting for her for the gold medal. Elaine, I love you so much, and I'm not gonna get emotional. Ooh. I'm so nervous and I'm so excited. I am so proud of her, but I can't go to sleep until after that 100-meter finals. And of course I'm going to film my reaction because I hope I don't wake Tyler up, but let's see what's gonna happen. Babe, what you're hoping to see in the 100-meter finals?
She's gonna win.
I think Illy's gonna win.
She's gonna win.
And who's gonna come second?
I don't know. No, I don't know. It's gonna depend of turbo stuff.
So you're giving Elaine for the win and Bowie for the second?
It's gonna depend on Shay and Fraser. Shay and Fraser look
You have too much depends.
Yeah, depends.
Listen, I am giving my country 1, 2, 3, like
No,
I said.
You can do 1, 2, they won't do 1, 2, 3.
Like I said, if we don't get it, I'll still be thankful.
They won't do it.
But sorry, I'm counting everybody else out. I am playing selfish right now, but
yeah, but selfish and
reality
is too different. They can do 1, 2, but they won't do 1, 2, 3.
A girl can dream. Can't a girl dream?
Yeah, but a girl need to come back on reality. 1, 2.
You guys, I got
3.
Babe this shirt in the last Olympic. The last Olympic we got him this shirt because I am a big Asafa fan.
12. Yeah, just before the Olympic.
I'm a big Asafa fan, so I have to make him a big Asafa fan, even though Asafa is not doing the individual event this year. I am still rooting for you, honey. And he will be in the 4x1 relays. Hopefully we get gold in the 4x1 too. But the Olympic is on and I am loving every minute of it. The favorite part has just begun, which is the track and field, which I love so much. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen.
You remember when you got this shirt?
Yeah.
When?
I think so, in Jamaica.
Yeah, but when? And where?
I bought it in Half a Tree.
No.
Where?
You bought it in Utah campus. You were out with Elaine selling cake. You don't remember?
Oh, is that this point about it?
Yeah, you were out with. We were thinking.
Oh,
was
I was
you,
doing something for my class.
it was
Elaine and
you,
Debbie.
Elaine and Debbie, and I was there selling cake.
Yes. For real. Well, he'll be wearing Asafa for the rest of his life until this shirt doesn't work anymore.
Cheers like this. I said,
Yeah. So you guys, don't curse me for my sleep face, but you're getting the raw me right now. I think you guys should use to the raw me by now though. So Tyler is asleep, so you guys won't see Tyler. And hopefully I don't scream and wake him up while his room door is closed. I'm gonna check on him in a minute to make sure that he's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna chill and wait at the 100-meter finals. See you guys later. You guys, it's about to go down right now. The 100-meter is about to go down. I am a nervous wreck. I have to put my phone up. I have to put away all these things, and I really hope I don't wake Tyler. Damn, what do you feel my heart? Feel it.
You playing your life?
Hossa. Guys, what's your prediction? I am literally shaking right now. Literally shaking. The babe just over there chilling, like, I'm just waiting on it to happen. I hope I don't wake Tyler with my scream.
You don't scream, think about your son, okay?
Seriously? Elaine, 4,
Isn't me
7,
the
6.
5 minutes? Oh, turn it. Why?
You guys, my battery just died and I had to hurry up and change my battery. I'm shaking. Yeah.
Don't look at the waist, just close your eyes and...
Babe, feel me.
No!
No, don't touch me.
I'm screaming. You touch me.
Come on, Alien. 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 Woo!
You happy?
You guys, you won! Oh my god, you guys. Oh, she crying. Oh. This has been her biggest accomplishment yet, and it's just beginning. Ooh, I can't hold it together. Ooh. Ooh. I am so proud of Elaine. It's crazy. This girl is coming from nothing. She's coming from far. Like, she has worked so hard to achieve this, and if anybody else deserves this, it is Elaine. Trust me. Congrats, honey, and I'm so proud of you. And it is just the beginning. You're now down in the Olympic history books. Like, are you serious right now? I'm so excited. But guys, I'm heading off to celebrate, and then I'm going to go to bed. So congrats again, Elaine, and we are so proud of you, and we love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah.